Ush. Manina? Apa? Baru. Semoga. Deve da chiesa. Tenendo família aqui já. A primeira. A ver. Tire. Comandei. Hey. Pari miarabantsika izy aloha zany a tonga eto amin'ity
Happy to
fiarahantsika
greet all
alohatsika
of
ny
you
amin'ity
with this meeting for this night. First of all, I glorify beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. I glorify the creator of this world. That is beloved Father YAHVAH, and I glorify his son who was dead on the cross. That is YAHOSHUA. And I wish you to be blessed by YAHOSHUA. Is the ambassador of YAHOSHUA, ZHYAH, who is with you today. It's the on this day Saturday. Today is Saturday. What I'm going to talk to you today. The truth is that I am really sleepy. That is the truth. There much time that I didn't sleep well because of the things that I do here. Then there is no problem. There's no problem because it's for Yahushua that I do everything, and that is really wonderful to develop the work of Yahushua and mainly to develop the small lambs of Yahushua. That is the goal that I do then. But there is no worries. Those are goods. That is a lesson for you, the small lambs of Yahushua. Always to go straightly bear the hard things, whatever is happening, and always stay in the goodness of Yahushua has given to us. You didn't meet me this afternoon because I had something to do and I was not with you this afternoon, but now I am with you. And it's a really wonderful our meeting. Last time I told you you could send message, and now you can send your message for those who want to ask questions. Is it uh it's stuck? Is it from you or from me that it's stuck? Their mom say a feedback that it's really okay. So it's your vast. We have a different point of view. Is it clear, children? Okay, so you can send your messages, those who want to ask your questions, and the others. The time that we're going to perform the baptism is near. Isn't it broadcasted? Sriana say don't say. The small lambs, you must stand firm for their suffering. You must stand firm, obeying the words of beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. I have taught you them. The small lambs, you must bear the suffering, the slanders, because we already enter the difficult situation, and you must learn them. That is it. People will hate you just for no reasons, because you will go to the heaven of heaven, but they will not go there, and it's normal they are angry at you. But if they will go to heaven of heaven like you, it's just time differences, because from here it's like too late the picture. Refresh the page. Does it work, children? Does it work? You must stand firm, and you must live that you really trust in Yahushua. All of you need to learn that you trust in Him till the end, and to make Yahushua happy. We have done that before, but we emphasize it. We really emphasize it. Your relation with Yahushua, you really emphasize that, because you know that it's danger on this planet Earth. when we boarded on the plane last time, it was really the danger. If there was continued there, it's the death. It was continued there. We thank Yahushua particularly that there was nothing. It's for 30 minutes the plane was shaking. So how about that picture? That situation was really difficult. Difficult situation that we uh, board at that time. So that was the way to the death. The devils they are trying the means to block our way to serve Yahushua, to accomplish the words of Yahushua. It's always sabotages that they do everywhere, wherever. That, however, we don't care. What we know, we will arrive in Yahushua to bring the small lambs of Yahushua in the heaven of heaven in any ways. So, for you, the small lambs of Yahushua, always follow the instructions. Your goal is to arrive in the heaven of heaven. My leader gives me guaranteed 100%, because if we will not go there, how will I guarantee that to you that it's really for sure to bring you there? My goal and my work here is to bring you small lambs of Yahushua there in the heaven of heaven. My goal is to bring you there. That's why I encourage you, do this, do that, pay attention, be careful with your holiness. Don't care of what others are saying, that your goal is to go straightly, because I have told you that the devils are trying in means to even to kill you. They will do that. Be careful. I have given all instructions for you, but always follow those instructions. And I have received the words from Yahushua. Tell this to them, and you see, I told those instructions to you. So that's what I meant with you. Always follow the internet well. I invite you not to watch carefully the local TV and radio, that watch and follow carefully the internet. Always follow the internet. Get used following the internet. I didn't say that it will be closed tomorrow, then the way is going to that situation, that I just tell you, if it's still ongoing, we watch, that you don't lean on. So for the people who don't care, you don't have anything to expect from that TV anymore, except the people who are looking for Yahushua. Them on that TV and radio, you cannot take anything from it anymore, because it's already closed. Yahushua is about closing it. That's why the reason of the teaching, to give a word so that the others will be conscious. That's why I say great work to Jesus particularly. Great work for him. It's not about I despise him. He really killed people, but Elia gives you great work. Jesus and Jesus, Allah, you have thrown people in hell, and people are really happy to be thrown in hell by you. So I gave you a great work. That's why, and you are happy with that. You are arrived in what you wished for. I didn't despise your God, even I gave great work for them. But the wise listen to my words, they are can't choose. Oh, we will not enter with that situation, but we will save our spirit. We will save our way to Yahushua. So go well with your way, so that you will be with Yahushua. And I told you about the question. You can ask any questions you want. We we are entering the end. It's just a hypocrite what Donald Trump are doing there. It's really, this world is getting in the messing up. So there is no solutions, human. It's really dangerous. The star is going to be famous. There will strike you. The star and the foolishness of those who are from above, there will be coming. The danger will happen to this planet Earth. So the wisdom for those who will go to the heaven of heaven, make sure you will make Yahushua happy in your way. Don't make Yahushua sad even just a little, and follow what Elia says to you. If you don't want to go there, don't follow. There is no problem. Don't just follow, and you don't just go there. Even within you, inside you, there is nothing in you. If you break the law of Elia, there's nothing you will be taken anymore. So if there is a question, you can ask. You can send your message with the number plus 261 38 609 and 643 and 47. You can see it on the screen. Even a full question, you can ask your question, because it's time for the foolishness of the others. Let's answer them in case they pretend to be wise. So ask your question now. There's no question. So let's listen to Serena's music now until the questions are arrived. Let's listen to one Serena song. Okay, play it, studio. That's work. Okay, come on. So I am waiting for the questions from you. Is there a question? So the small names of Yahushua didn't have any questions. So I can't need the words, or I stop the words. I end it. So the teaching is already clear. All instructions are already clear. Know how to obey the words. Don't act badly. Don't behave badly, because the goal is to arrive in Yahushua. The goal is that we will arrive into the arms of Yahushua. So I wish you to be blessed by Yahushua. That is our meeting for today. It's finished. Always follow the words. Just to follow the words. As I have said to you,